Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, what we got for you today? We've got for you a gorgeous pen. Now, I've actually shown you this particular model and colour before. Now, the reason I'm doing it again is quite simply because I found this on my recent travels, and as you can see, it comes with all the original packaging, which the other one didn't. As you can see, it comes with the outer box with Parker to the left there, and then to the side there you'll see it says Parker. Well, it don't say Parker, it says 45 TX pen medium. Okay, so look at that, even the outer box is in gorgeous condition. So let's take the pen out of the outer box there, and look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And what we're actually doing here, it seems to be, well, a theme that we've had in the last couple of videos, is that this particular pen has never been used. It's never been inked. Whoever actually bought it left it in the packaging, and as I say, it's never been used. It's, as you can see in the original packaging, I would call it X stock. Now if we turn it to the back there, you've got this little sort of plastic piece here which opens up there, which allows you to put it on your desk or for presentation purposes like so. And then underneath there you can see we've got 1, 2 Parker cartridges, and then just inside here, there we go, we've got the Parker instructions. Okay, so 2 of the cartridges, the instructions, everything is there. But as I say, a gorgeous pen. You can see the box itself is a sort of matching colour to the pen itself, and to the bottom there we've got the Parker name to the bottom. So let's slide off this top bit here. Let's take the pen out. Let's pop this to one side, and here we have it, a gorgeous Parker 45 TX fountain pen. Now, nice and simple, the TX is, it's this blue epoxy finish over metal. Comes with gold plated trim. It's got a little sort of band to the bottom of the cap here. It's got the very recognizable Parker clip there, Parker arrow clip. It's got this sort of button to the top there, this dimpled finial to the very top, and then to the end of the barrel on this particular model it's got this, well, yeah, like an end button or end disc in gold to the bottom of the barrel. So an absolutely gorgeous pen. As I say, never been inked. It's, well, in all intents and purposes, it's a brand new pen, which is obviously they don't make anymore. Now when I say they don't make anymore, this particular model had a very short production period. I believe they produced them around 1979, and then sort of from 1980 to 1983 they began putting the date letters on the pens itself, which we'll show you in a moment. But a gorgeous pen, the size of it capped 137 millimeters capped. Around the barrel it's a nice 12 millimeters in diameter. Now let's show you the cap imprint. It's got Parker, and then if we turn it round slightly, there we go, we've got made in England, and then to the right, okay, I don't know if you can actually see that, to the right it's got the date letter UE. Nice and simple. UE denotes that this pen was made 1981. The other thing about this particular pen, it was made in 1981 at the Newhaven Parker factory. Okay, so as I said, they brought them out, I think 1979, began putting the date letters 1980, it went through to 1983, although I do believe the production was only for a year, and then after that, basically what Parker were doing is just literally selling off the pens that they actually made. So, in all intents and purposes, I believe it to be quite a rare pen. Comes in this blue colour, this epoxy colour. I believe they also made a black version, but I've not actually seen one as yet. Superb, gorgeous pen. This one, as I said, made in England, made in Newhaven, and made 1981. Let's take the cap off, which is a friction fit cap. Let's show you the pen at different angles. Okay, you can see the section there itself is a slightly darker blue. It's got the very recognisable Parker nib there, this sort of like semi hooded nib. It's got a letter underneath. I just can't quite see over the camera. I think on this one it's an M, indicating it's a medium nib. But as I said, everything's been checked. If we unscrew it for you, it's got a cartridge converter. I took the converter out, I put an inspection light inside. There is no sign of any ink residue. As I said, in my opinion, the pen has never been inked. Absolutely stunning, gorgeous. As I said, I've shown you this before, but what I haven't actually had is this pen with all the original packaging, instructions, etc. It's X stock, a stunning example, and as we said earlier, repeating myself, I believe this now to be a rare pen. Is it available? Is it looking for a new home? Yes, possibly it is, but because it's a rare pen, it'll be priced accordingly. But if the pen doesn't sell, I will seriously consider keeping this in my collection, because it comes with everything. It's X stock, never been inked. Again, I know I'm repeating myself, but it's a gorgeous example. If we don't find a home, it will find a home in my own collection. So there we have it, an absolutely stunning Parker 45 TX fountain pen, beautiful condition, with the box, with the outer case, with instructions, with cartridges, never been inked, gorgeous. Okay guys, don't forget, I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel as well. Don't forget, just there, give the video a thumbs up if you will, please. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.